Hi guys, we're here at Brayford, Wharf, East Level Crossing in Lincolnshire. What he said.
Down, so I'm assuming we're going to go down now as well.
Give us some lights.
Cheers, Brayford.
Here we are, Brayford, Wharf, East Level Crossing, Lincolnshire.
Is he done?
Quiet.
Right.
Give me BCD, give me BCD, give me BCD.
Give me BCD.
Why are we all fighting for a BCD?
I got the
We're all fighting for a BCD.
This barrier is going to...
Very slow.
Righty hoes, we know this way up on our...
1303, 2 Papa 65.
We know this way up on our 1303, 2 Papa 65, Northern Service from Scunthorpe.
Time is 13:05 on Saturday the 8th of November 2014. This is for our 2 Papa 65 1306 Northern Service from Scunthorpe.
So look good central.
You've got like 2 minutes, Joseph. Don't point at a derelict box.
See?
It's boring.
Extreme close-up of the lights.
I know. Oh, Brayford. Someone's making the a semicircle.
For some reason. Well, we've seen a double pacer and we've seen a 153.
And
What's next?
Dinwish was a single 142.
Where the old yard line is, because that was really high pitch.
The lady sitting in the car.
There's the Odeon over there.
Sorry if the...
For those of you who don't know, the Odeon is a cinema.
Well, I can hear you then.
My tablet's...
And if you ever look in there, Taunton will probably be down there roughly.
If you can hear volume, then you must have a good speaker, because... Let's just hope we don't get a Brayford gets bored.
Don't you mean Brayford does the Brayford?
Yeah.
She does a lot, so that's why she got the name of that.
Right, 2 minutes.
Yeah, that's it.
Anytime now.
Right, 2 minutes anytime now.
Shush, Andrew.
Yes.
No, it'll be coming from the other way. Here it is, here's a 142.
Oh, 142.
142,
67. 142.
142, 67 from Scunthorpe.
63. That was on
And
the...
we launched off to Sheffield later, so you got the right tag on the wall.
Let's see if the
And...
lights flash.
Up they go.
Up they go.
I'm shaking like a dog spinner.
The lights need to flash.